So your little light could not defeat the glory of the Aesir. So you decided to cheat to escape your fate.
Well played. But you see, James Shaw, Saint Finn, Odin has sent his ravens.
And do you know what they have whispered into our ears?
The line has been strung.
Their fates have seen your destiny.
And Odin, our father, has given us the glory
of making it so.
So pray, little lambs.
Pray that your little light will brighten the darkness that comes towards you.
Because when the sun goes down, the wolves of Odin shall come.
All hail the Aesir.
All hail the All-Father.
The gods will it.
The gods will it.